and welcome to another episode of Unboxing Back with me, Beck Hill. Now there's nothing up my sleeves, but there is a new box for me to open. That's right, this week I'm unboxing a brand new magic kit. Whoa! I love magic. So before we start unboxing, how about a magic trick? Okay, ready? Think of a card, any card. Have you got it? Is this your card? Subscribe! If you're like me, you want to learn some cool magic tricks so you can amaze and astound your friends. That's why I'm super excited about opening this week's box. Magic. Oh, wow! It's a top hat. And a wand! Just like a real magician. Make sure there's nothing else. I think it's nearly over. Good. Time to see if this kit really works. Right, I'll say the magic words. Abracadabra. No, bad magic kit. Bad.